Hi, I'm Liam and I've just had Click-tite Dentures fitted at the Seapoint Dental Clinic. I knew maybe 6 months ago or so that I was going to need this work done, and I was very apprehensive because I didn't really know what was involved. A friend of mine recommended Seapoint Clinic, and I made an appointment and came along, and from the moment I walked in the door and met by the reception staff, I knew I was in the right place. Everything was very friendly and relaxed. I had a consultancy with Dr. Smit, and he explained the whole procedure to me and about 3 weeks later I came in, and I was very surprised at how easy and how at ease I was put by all of the staff. Again, I was concerned about would they be the right thing for me and that, but over a period of time, maybe 3 months or so, the whole procedure took, and I'm really happy with the outcome. I can do everything I could do beforehand. It's great to be back eating steak and things like that, so very happy with it. And follow-up procedures then have all been so easy. Come in, as I say, the reception staff, they're always very friendly, and that the environment is so comfortable and so relaxing. It's almost a pleasure to come here. So that was really my experience here with this staff at Seapoint Clinic, and as I say, for all my dental procedures in the future, this is where I'll be coming.